Hey, hi everyone. My name is Marcello and I participated to the Festival for Business Learning created by Nifnex. Such an amazing 2 weeks with such a great experience. We met up with old friends and we made new ones. We learned so many things about sales, marketing on Facebook, marketing on LinkedIn. We learned how to do maybe videos and presentation. So many things that we learned at this festival was absolutely incredible. We loved it. I loved it, and I enjoyed to the max. So I can all say thank you, Zishan, for putting such a great festival together, and also thank you to Integrity Business Center for hosting this festival. The girls were amazing. The girls were friendly and very helpful in providing us with coffee, water, and pens to write our notes. And what can I say? Come down to Integrity Business Center if you like to check them out. Find out what they do. And once again, thank you Zishan and Nifnex for this festival and looking forward to the next one.